Hello and welcome to TA for Traders. It's Thursday the 2nd of November. In this video I'm going to be looking at the charts on the Nikkei-225. So on TradingView that's the code JP225USD. What we'll see is that the Nikkei's had a tremendous run. It's been up for 8 solid weeks. It's really overextended over its moving averages. It's overbought and really a consolidation should be expected. Let's look at those charts. So here we are on the weekly, and you can see straight away that we've had 8 solid up weeks, and that's moved the index. It closed the week of the 4th of September down at 19, below 19.3, and now we're above 22.5. That's made us overextended above the moving averages. The moving averages are moving up, so they will be a support on any consolidation, and they will continue to give a push up on the market. However, the gap between the spot and the moving averages is overextended. And also you can see on the RSI on this weekly, we're now up to 79.75, which is indicative of an overbought market. Yes, a high RSI is good, it shows good solid momentum, but there becomes a time when you think it can't go any higher, it's overbought, and I think we've reached that on the Nikkei. MACD are indicative of the positive upside momentum as they're moving upwards. On the daily, again, you can see that we're overextended away from the moving average. If you were to draw an uptrend channel on the trend that we've been in since September, you'd see us at the upper boundary of that channel, with the lower boundary round just below the 22,000 level. So overextended. And again, the RSI is above 80.12, and here in fact we have had a slight non-confirmation in that yesterday's high didn't reach a high on the RSI, so we're getting a loss of upside momentum. It would only take a couple of down days for that to crack down and for the momentum to soon turn negative, given the moves that we've had. And the MACD still showing very positive momentum there. On the 4-hour, you can see that just over the last trading day we've gone sideways. That's good, it's allowing the moving averages to catch up, but we're still overextended. You can see that on the history of this chart right back to 25th September, the 20 on this 4-hour chart has given solid support and has bounded the uptrend, and that presently is the first support, and it's at 22,301.7. RSI has drifted off slightly, but it did reach a peak on the peak. Excuse me. So there was no non-confirmation there. It's presently at 72.51. And the MACD, excuse me again, got a bit of the Theresa Mays, and the MACD are flat lining. The short term, longer term still going up. They are going to cross, which is a slight warning sign, to keep your eye on that. So looking at the support and resistance levels, resistance at 22,628.1, 22,655.1, and then the supports coming in 22,300.8, the 20 from the 4-hour, and then the 50 from the 4-hour, 22,067.85. So that's been TA for Traders, looking at the Japanese Nikkei-225. The key conclusions from the charts are that we're at the top of an uptrend, overbought. we're overextended from the moving averages, and a consolidation should be expected, but after that it will all be okay again. Thanks for watching. I must declare I did have some Nikkei-225 ETFs in my SIP, and after doing the analysis for this video I've sold them. I'd been in the position for about 6 months, had a good profit, and I just thought we are overextended. I'm just going to slot it out, and then I'll reassess it when the consolidations happen. So I do believe we are going to get consolidation. Please remember, these videos are for information only, and they are not an investment recommendation. If you're not a subscriber, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you're on bulletin boards, please do throw this video onto that bulletin board. Let's get the TA for Traders message out there. Many thanks for watching. I'm just going to put a disclaimer on the video at the end. Please do read it.